I now present to you Bentley's future interpretation and exhibition of its future mobility. This futuristic icon was designed by Bentley's division whose responsibility is to add bespokeness to the bespoke, the Mulliner. Mulliner's new icon, the Batur, is the successor of the Bacala. From a design point of view, the Batur adopts the bottom front of the Bacala as well as the headlights, which on the Batur have now possessed a semicircular shape, fully enclosed by the angular strip light, where on the Bacala it barely intersected the full circular lighting. This is the future interpretation of design for the Bentley EV era. The Batur is pretty much based on the Continental, and interestingly the name Batur is a volcanic lake in Indonesia. The Batur was designed under the new leadership of Andreas Mint, who is the former designer at Audi and worked on the sedan Audi RS e-tron. The body panels of the Batur are made of carbon fiber, which makes us anticipate a highly lightweight vehicle. But with all the bespoke gold materials in the interior, that might not come to pass. Some components in the Batur are 3D printed gold components such as the drive selector. The dashboard design still carries the design characteristics of the Continental GT. Seat trims consist of the stitching patterns that are exactly on the newly designed grille with extra sharper angular edges and protruding pattern design. The bonnet is the same as the one from the Bacala. The bonnet strip is also made from carbon fiber. So the Batur was designed in a year that called for a quicker, practical design model that led to the incorporation of the mirror and the door from the Continental GT. Such components require a very long process and a homologation process. However, bespokeness is exhibited by the newly fresh designed 22-inch alloy wheels. The redesign is completely revolutionary, featuring new smooth curvy finishes and tail lights and a built-in spoiler that pops at high speeds to reduce drag and pops back into increase drag during braking. Part of the Batur is to honor Bentley's long history of the gasoline engine, which commenced in 2003 with the Bentley Continental. The engine of the Batur is powerful and efficient more than any other Bentley model today. It is powered by a 6-liter W12 740 horsepower engine via 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission at 1000 Newton meters, which is 100 Newton meters more than in the Continental GT speed. Some of the state-of-the-art drive technology featured in the Batur is the adaptive air suspension simply with a turn of a dial. Only 18 models of the Batur will be sold, and amazingly all have been sold already. The Batur carries a value of £2 million. Thanks for tuning in this far. You really gave me a purpose. Please like, subscribe, share the video and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk. Cheers.